Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to remove extra space between words using Notepad++. It is a very easy and simple method. So let's go to our video. First, I go to my web browser and find some text and copy it here. I go to any web browser and here I type freshwater fish and go to the freshwater fish on the Wikipedia. I copy this text. You can copy or paste any text that you want and paste it at here. I minimize it or make a small, and here we find our text. I make some spaces in between this. Now I make many spaces in this paragraph. Now I want to remove that extra space. That is very easy. I go to the here search, go to the search. In search I find replace or press Ctrl H on our keyboard, both are same. Click on the replace. In replace I type /, then type small s, not a big capital S, small s, and type plus button. Type /, small s, plus button. And in replace with, we want to replace with the one single time space. Make sure you type one space, only one space. And in search mode, go to the regular expression, from normal to go to the regular expression. Now I go to here find next. Now it is find the spaces on our paragraph. It is find our extra spaces and our single space also. Okay, it is finding, very good. Now we go to the here. I make sure cursor is at here and go with the here replace. Click on the replace. It's go to the first line, second line, and in third line replace, then it's replaced with the single space. And I click on the replace and it's go to the single space. Now I go to the replace all and it's replace all extra space with the single space. Click on the replace all and our problem is solved. So guys, this is the simplest way to remove extra space between words using Notepad++. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.